Good morning. I am Anup Kumar, student in Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will cover our presentation that is topic covered YouTube growth. That is, we will discuss about YouTube growth in 2005 to 2024. That we will include in first introduction, that is YouTube introduction, and second is early growth. That is firstly growth. That is everywhere we need to growth of first and last. That we discussed about to 2005 to 2006 growth of YouTube, and next is Google acquisitions. They are YouTube in Google acquired 2006 from YouTube to acquired by Google in 2006. User growth of over the year, all over the year, hot growth of YouTube. We discuss. Then we discuss content uploaded. That need a if we need a any software company make them, we need content upload. What about this? Present in this content. And next is revenue growth and business. What about this company is what growth in revenue form or business model? Then we need influence and reach today. What about this influence and reach today from YouTube? Then next we will conclusion. That is we include in first introduction. The overview. YouTube starts in 2005. YouTube started in 2005. That will YouTube started in 2005. That is it is a video sharing company. They make up they make by Steve Harry and they make Steve Harry and they make Steve Harry and Javed Karim for the purpose of sharing of our knowledge or thoughts in content for video, not in text form or information form. Then that is the most popular website from world at the first is Google and second is Facebook. That is the second third largest website or app in world for more viewed. Then we move on. Next topic, early growth in 2005 to 2006. Then we need a what about this in growth of early? Then we discuss YouTube launched in 2005. That is 30,000 daily views. YouTube started in 2005. That is first they are 30,000 views in daily viewers, and next is 2006 had 20,000 videos new videos per daily uploaded by the YouTube and 100 million daily views. That is next in 2006. At a 1 year, they changed in 2005 have 30,000 views, and next 1 year is 100 million views that crossed. That is very engaging for Google acquisition. The Google acquired from you for YouTube in 2006. They are all member YouTube making from then they are sold by Google, and Google are acquired in 2006 for 1.7 billion dollar. That is, they are considered the whole they are form of text form in Google form, that they are not changed in video form. Then Google are acquired YouTube. This is help YouTube grow faster and improve technology, because that is Google have more funded and more would never company that make a YouTube videos company for high scale, but they are not in Steve and Job, Steve and Eddie not sustain long term because that is have no in long money in the form of YouTube and early user growth over the year. The user growth are YouTube in year by year. They have all this 0.8 billion users in 2012. They are 0.8 billion users in YouTube in 2012. Now 2005 over 2.7 billion user rapid rise in viewers and content upload. Over 2005 2.7 billion users are increased. That is they are 13 years only. They are first 2010 was less than 0.1 billion viewers monthly users and 2011 reached something 1 billion 0.1 billion. Then again 2024 have 2.74 billion users currently in YouTube. Then we next move on content uploadation. They YouTube are 2,500 hours daily upload in they are 500 videos in every minute upload in 2019 to 24 billions of videos available for all interests. They, they at a present time YouTube are have present in more viewers and all form of videos for all form of videos present in YouTube that a research of American economist that what what video that that not present in YouTube then that video is not exist in the planet. Then next move on revenue growth of YouTube and business model. What about business model in YouTube and what revenue growth in YouTube? That they are growth in 2000 way will data will 2017 have $7 billion. Then now 2018 $11 billion earning and 2019 $16 billion, 2020 $20 billion, 2021 $29 billion, 2022 $29 billion, 2023 $32 billion, and 2024 have crossed $36 billion. And they are business model in most of the YouTube ads. They are YouTube Unformed. YouTube ads and premium membership are for the different plans are provided in YouTube for student plan, individual plan and more. YouTube acquired by $1.7 billion in 2006 by Google. It's make money through advertising and subscription revenue. We are discussed about this. They are YouTube inform ads revenue and our subscription for YouTube and YouTube advertising network is part of Google Ads. They are advertised by Google Ads and revenue for generate in Google reported more than $31 billion revenue in 2023. $31 billion in 2023. YouTube also make money with the paid membership and premium content. That is everywhere YouTube cut from the users or content creator. Every money is transferred from some content creator and then move on YouTube. that is premium membership and paid content, premium content that will be mm, video or members only. Then we need money to buy a membership. That membership need some those go from content creator and some go from YouTube. Then we conclude all of this. YouTube summary for simple video sharing. It is a simple video sharing for a global entertainment giant. The YouTube are most popular app for a site that in the form of views and in the form of video. That is the most viewed site in video form content, in not short. Short. That is short is larger than Instagram or Facebook. But that is long form videos are famous from the YouTube. If they are 95% viewers are YouTube long videos seen in YouTube, and now YouTube continue to grow and shape how we watch video. YouTube that by recommendation, what about you know and what about users, then that's in your knowledge in YouTube and disclose the your information. You're not that disclose the your type of information, then you seen from easily for our capturing data. That we conclude all this and thank you.